Hello, my name is Brandan Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about diversions, and specifically diversions in the DUI arrest or DUI case context. Now, what is a DUI diversion? A diversion is essentially a contract between you and the prosecutor. It's an agreement in which, just like any agreement, you're going to have certain obligations and the prosecutor is going to have certain obligations. The ultimate result is if both parties meet all their obligations, then the case will ultimately get dismissed with prejudice, which is just a way of saying that it won't be refiled again. Now, there's going to be certain requirements that a person has to do when they're on diversion. Just to name a few, they'll have to abstain from any drug and alcohol use. They'll have to do a victim impact panel through the Mothers Against Drunk Driving organization. They'll have to do drug and alcohol counseling, do an evaluation and follow the recommendations of that. They're going to be required to be monitored for an entire year, subject to random drug and alcohol tests and things like that. The thing to remember about diversion is it's not as easy as most people think it is. Once some people will hear the idea of diversion, they get fixated on that and they want to just go towards that as the ultimate resolution of their case. That's not the best way to handle a DUI case. Before a person decides to do a diversion, they need to look at their case with a lawyer, see if there's any way out of the case, because a diversion, again, is not all it's cracked up to be. You're going to be under the thumb of the city for an entire year, and it's very difficult to fulfill all your requirements of that diversion without making any mistakes. What you need to really consider is you need to be self-aware. Is that something that you can do? Is it something that you want to subject yourself to? When it comes down to it, what a diversion is a good backup plan. If you're eligible for a diversion and you decide to go that way, that could be a good resolution to your case. But before you decide to put yourself through the difficulties of a diversion, you need to see if there is a way out of your case completely. The only way to truly do that is to sit down with an experienced DUI lawyer, go over your case from start to finish, get the evidence on your case, review it with a trained eye on how can you get out of the case. If you have any questions about DUIs, DUI arrests, or the DUI process, feel free to contact my office at 913-451-9500.